Welcome to All About You Home Health Care, where compassion meets innovation. Let's get started with the HHA Exchange Caregiver mobile app, available on the App Store and Google Play. Just search HHA Exchange to download. We do not use the HHA Exchange Plus app that's for Texas, Illinois, Massachusetts residents only. Once installed, open the app and choose your preferred language. Tap Sign Up, located at the bottom left-hand side of the log-in screen. Enter your email and create a secure password. Then, check your inbox for a verification email. After logging in, agree to the terms and update your profile. Make sure your details match what's on file with the agency. Once registered, you'll receive your unique mobile ID. Once you receive your unique mobile ID, please send this ID to your HR representative. This unique mobile ID will then be registered to you HHA Exchange account. Without this ID, we will not be able to add you to the schedule. Biometric login, using Face ID or fingerprint, makes access secure and effortless. At All About You Home Health Care, we bring you smart tools for compassionate care. Download the app today and step into the future of home care.